installed on the signals. They updated the signals. That is a totally new signal right here. NEG electronic bell. All mast lights are General Electric LEDs now. But Union Pacific are now using Dialight LEDs. That surprised me. Overhead lights are Dialight LEDs. Well, that's a good thing. Both federal signal mechanical bells are still here. Glad that that's still there. That one too. Then the Safe Tram mechanical bell is still here. It's the only signal for some reason that was replaced as a whole. Everything on this signal right here is new. This is filmed after the Sierra Northern Railway has came through.